It took forever just to recall what went down. I was so innocent and fragile then. You know it broke me, but I'm still breathing, so I must be alive. Even when every sign says otherwise. Got my tight head bowed low, eyes sealed shut, my throat stretched open. Yeah, do unto others what they did to me. Do unto others what they did to you. I'm barely staying afloat. I need to drift away for a while. My fragile little saint, you look so delicate. Won't you move a little closer? Close enough that I can taste the air around you. I need you to feel every inch of this. I can't keep burning like this forever. Let it go in violation for one perfect second. I feel complete till you know what was done to me. Unto you now what was done to me. Do unto you now what was done. You're still breathing, so you must be alive. Even when every sign says otherwise. Won't you move a little closer? Close enough that I can taste the air around you. I need you to feel every inch of this. I need this to make me whole again. Let it go in violation. Have you seen that skin and blood can't be trusted? Have you seen that skin and blood can't be trusted? Only this one sacred act brings me any peace. Got your wrist tied, head bowed low, tight, head bowed low. I seal shut. You look so delicate now. I found some kind of fragile sanity in this filth, blood and shame all over my hands. I've come full circle. My fragile little saint, this will be over soon. You look so delicate. You look so delicate. You look so delicate now. You look so delicate. You look so delicate now.